Hey YouTube, what is up? Today we are here with a haul by Pretty Little Thing. The only reason why I'm doing this haul is because I just discovered the brand. Honestly, I'm not a huge shopper with the online whatever, but I do love clothes that are not from the US because they fit me better, because they usually have the option of a size 0 or a 00 or a 2. So if we have similar bodies, then this video is gonna help you out a lot, because I was trying to find some of these videos. So it's my first time buying from Pretty Little Thing, and let's see if I like it. So how we always do hauls here, we start with packaging. So I'm gonna grab it, and I ordered a ton of stuff. Oh, everything's under $15 too. If you wanna see the prices, please click the links down below. I will list every option of clothing there that you're gonna see in today's video. So let's start with the packaging. It's kind of like, it looks cute, but it's like bunched up everywhere. I'm sure that's not gonna be a problem. Yeah, so it does say Pretty Little Thing on it, and I don't know if you could see that. That's a unicorn. There's unicorns all over it. I don't know if that's their logo or their thing, but I think it's cute. There's little unicorns all over it. And of course, it's pink. I like that. Love the color, so yeah, let's get into this. There's gonna be a lot of clothing, so I'm gonna try to make this haul quick. Oh, I actually already cut into something. So we got a lot of stuff. I'm just gonna throw it everywhere for now because I forgot about this. Because it's easier that way to see. I'm also gonna list the size down below of each one, but just know they are around a 0 or a 2, but I'll put the number next to the link. Damn, I bought what is this? These are some more items I'm gonna try on for you, and we're just gonna get into it. So I'm excited. All right, so let's start with actually what I'm wearing first. So obviously the shorts are not Pretty Little Thing, they're from Pink, but this little one shoulder top that's super cropped is from there. This one is super cute. I love one arm things. I think they are the trend right now. And I got it in a gray. This one was literally so cheap, it was like $5. By the way, I'm doing this in no particular order. I'm just gonna grab what's there. So I'm grabbing this next. It's a plaid skirt. So something I wouldn't really buy, even though I own one, but I've tried buying, you're gonna see a lot of skirts. I tried buying a lot of skirts because I don't own many. I probably own 4 skirts. And so I thought I would give their skirts a try, especially if they come in a size 0, because ooh, Forever 21 skirts, they do not fit. If you're small, you know. So hopefully these do. Okay, oh, this is longer than I thought, but I can always scrunch it up. This one is a 2, so it's gonna be a little bit bigger. Let me try it on. So here's the skirt in a size 2. I'm gonna admit it is a bit bigger on me, but I find it really cute. It's a bit longer than I thought it would be, but I like to pull my skirts up anyways to make them short. So yeah, I do like this one, and it honestly doesn't look bad with this top. The next item is this little black one shoulder top again, and I'm kind of confused right now, but I'm gonna put it on because obviously you guys can't really tell what this is. Oh, that's what it is. That makes sense. Let me put this on real quick. Okay guys, this top is so cool and so unique looking. I mean, look at all the cutouts on it. The material is actually like a sports spandex material. It's super stretchy, and I almost didn't buy this one, so I'm really glad that I did because it's so cool. It's like nothing that I own. So yeah, I definitely love this top, and it fits really great. Okay, another skirt. This one's really interesting. This one looks like it'll fit because it's a size 0. This one is super colorful, so let's see how I like it on. It has this fire pattern. I never saw anything like this. It has ruffles at the bottom as well, so that is mainly why I got it, just because how unique it looks. And again, I need more skirts. Oh my gosh guys, I love this one so much. It fits perfectly, so I am definitely a size 0, but I love the color of this one. It honestly looks good with the black top as well, but I can still mix match it, you know. But I really think this one's so cool. It's definitely something that I've never owned, and I'm really happy with this one. All right, we're gonna do another skirt because I feel like it's gonna match the top as well. This is one I was really excited for, but it is a size 2, so it might be a little bit bigger. But it's this tie-dye runched, like scrunched. I know you guys can't tell, but you'll tell when it's on the side here. And honestly, just look at this color. Look at this tie-dye. So far the quality of everything has been really good as well. Like some skirts are a bit see-through, but that doesn't really bother me. It's not bad. It's not like you could see your underwear, so. But I so far really, really do like it. It has a band that's stretchy. I'll put this one on. All right, guys, this skirt, like if I thought I loved the last one a whole bunch, this one's another level. Oh my gosh, this one is so freaking cute. Like, look at that runch, and I love the runch because it's actually adjustable, so you can make the skirt as long or as short as you want with just the little ties right here. I love the skirt so much. The color is what sold me. Tie-dye so in right now, and to have it in a cute little runch skirt, I think yes. So I actually got 3 of these specific tops I'm gonna show you because I ordered this one first, so it came first, and I actually tried it on back then and I fell in love. Like this quality, because they sell these shirts like in a lot of places. Get them from Pretty Little Thing because the quality of these ones are so amazing, and they wrap around your body, which I will show you when I try it on. But I'm gonna try on the black one first because it's gonna match the skirt, and then I'll show you the rest when I do. So here it is on. I'm sorry, I'm not wearing like any nipple covers or anything. Like I'm not wearing a bra, so yeah, you're just gonna have to deal with that. But yeah, I really love this top. I honestly feel like it doesn't even look bad on people with no cleavage. So if you can relate, then thumbs up. I love how you could tie it in the back, or you could tie it around your body like this because the ties are so long, and I personally like it like this better. I think it adds more detail, and I'm just obsessed with this shirt, and you're gonna see it in 2 more colors. Okay, so you know why I like this top so much, but now let's try on a skirt, another skirt, which is actually pink. So here's the pink tie-dye skirt. This one is actually way brighter and way longer than I thought it would be, so that's why I scrunched it up a bit so it looks short, but I don't hate it. I do really like it. I think it's a fun little skirt. So yeah, this is what it looks like. All right, the next one is this basic gray top. It has the runch detail on the side again, so you can also adjust it by tying the ties. This is more of a basic tee I would actually wear to school if we go back to school. But yeah, so this is a basic gray tee. I love tops like this that are just tight but still have a little detail. So here's the gray top. It is a light gray and it's in a size small. I really like this top, maybe not with this skirt, but just with jeans or leggings. It's really, really cute. And yeah, just a basic tee. The next item is this leather black tube skirt. I'm gonna, of course, make it look shorter than it actually looks. This one's in a size 0. And I mainly got this one because it was so cheap. I think it was like $5 around there, so I was like, you know what, let's just throw it in there. It's $5, so that's why I got this one. So here's this one, and honestly I'm more impressed than I thought I would be. I was expecting this one to not be like super cute because it looked long, but I think it looks even more cute when you scrunch it up to make it look short. But yeah, I really like this one. It's a good basic. Like you could pair this one with a lot of tops. So all we have left is a bunch of tops, so I'm just gonna keep this basic black skirt on because I'm sure it's gonna match a lot of these. But let's start with this one. This one's like supposed to be a corset type thing, but it does have straps. But oh my god, this is a loud top. All right, well here's the top. I find the tie-dye pattern really, really pretty, but I feel like, I don't know, the shape is a little bit odd, but it doesn't bother me too much. And it actually is like a corset. The wiring inside of it, you could feel it trying to be super tight on you, which I do love. So that's why I do feel like it fits pretty well. And yeah, this top is pretty cool. And now, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Let's do another one of these. So this one's Cheetah Print. It looks exactly like that black one I showed you, but just a different color. So I'll just show you how it looks quickly on, even though it's gonna fit the same as the other one. So let's try it on. Whew, I love this one just as much as the black one. This pattern is like a sexy pattern, I would say. It looks so, so good, especially with the skirt too. It looks like I'm about to hit the nightclub, even though I'm not going to anytime soon. But you know, it's really cute, so when I do go, this would be a possible outfit. I also tied it differently, so yeah. The next outfit, we're almost there. We have 4 left. Yeah, all right, so let's do this one. I've never tried this one on. So this is a green teal tie-dye top. It's pretty much like that gray one you guys saw earlier Why do I look red? Do I look red? It has the same detailing as that gray one. It's the same thing pretty much, just different color. With the wrenches on the side, and I get to tie them. Oh, let's try her on. I'm tired of trying things on. Okay, you can do it. Just like that gray one, fits the same. It's really, really cute. I love, love, love this color. It's not a color I own, so that'll be exciting to just pick out and wear day to day. This next top is one of my favorites. I actually already wore because it was so cute. It's like this little leopard muscle top type. It's tight, it's cropped, it's leopard print, white and black. It's really, really cute. So here it is. This one I got a size 2, which fits me perfect. I love the color. It's very basic, honestly, black and white, but matches with everything, you know, but I just love the shape of this top. The next one is that third top that looks the same, and this one's cool because it is tie-dye. You see what I mean? So here's this last one. It kind of reminds me of a cow because it's black and white and it's tie-dye. I don't know, but I think it's super cute. Just like the other 3, there's not much else to explain, but yeah. I am tired. One more to go. All right, this very last one is a basic. It is a t-shirt, but it's cropped. It says Death Valley on it. It has neon green on it. I think it's cool. I don't think I've ever been to Death Valley, but it's cool and I just like the color. It's gray, and this is actually what I'm gonna wear for the rest of the day after I put this on. It's comfy, it's soft. Not much else to say, but let's put it on. That was a lot of clothing, guys. I don't think I've had a haul that big for one place only. So, do I like Pretty Little Thing? Yeah, probably a lot now, like way too much, because all these items were under $15, so I hardly spent anything. I mean, I did spend like over 100, but like that's good. Like people on YouTube be buying stuff for $600 and like they're getting a lot of clothes, but like for $600 there, I can't imagine how much clothes you would get. Yeah, so it's super affordable. That's what I like, and I would rate Pretty Little Thing an 8. If there are other online stores that you guys want me to try out, please leave their names down below, because I don't really shop online. The only other place I really like is Opoly, and now I've tried Pretty Little Thing. I know there's Boohoo, I know there's Tiger Mist, I know there's Fashion Nova. That one's huge, but yeah. Yeah, let me know and I will look into it maybe, because I'm trying to shop online more due to quarantine. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also if you want, comment your favorite piece down below or outfit. I don't know, comment something. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.